What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, Codabear TV. So today on my Arctic Cat Altera 700, I'm going to be putting a black bore 2-up seat / storage compartment on, so me and my girl can ride. So it's a universal, so we're going to have to end up using the drill, and we have to drill holes up underneath. We're going to mark where we're going to drill. You have to put it to your racking, which is underneath, and then in the inside you got to drill holes into, and there's U-bolts that are going to go around it. So there's a tons of storage and everything, and then we'll mark it off and everything, and we'll get back to you when we start marking it and drilling, and I'll show you how we put it on. All right, so we ended up marking our first marks. We put a little indentations of where we want it to be, and we're gonna drill these two first, and then we're gonna put that one, tie it down so then it won't move, and then we'll mark our last 3 spots and drill it in. So we'll drill it in right now. Yeah, just like that. And then this one right here, closer. Ours were at an angle instead of directly straight up and down. Because we want to get a tight fit, because I'm going to be in water with it, so I don't want to get water up in there, so we're going to get a tight fit on it. All right, so we had the first one, we screwed it all down, everything looked good. Then we put our little markings for a second one. We're going to drill our second one. We're going to put it back, tighten it back down, and then we're going to mark our third and fourth holes and drill them. All right, go ahead. Make that one a little wider again, I think. Just a little, not too wide, but. Okay, and that is, let's see, I'm trying to remember. That is a 1/4 drill bit. All right, we got both holes drilled, one there and one right there. So we're gonna put both of our pieces in. Can you find, you're gonna be able to do it? Let's see. Over top of our bolts underneath. One-handed is hard to do this. Can you grab it? Can you do it, baby? Yeah. Why isn't it going in? It was going in nice and easy. There it goes. So you gotta pop them up through. Put your backing on right here. Grab your nuts. Then we're going to tighten those down, and then he's going to put the next one in. And then once we get these two tightened in, what we'll do is we'll go and we'll measure again where the other two we want to put are. And then we'll go from there. And then at the end, once we make our last 2 holes, I'll come back with you. We'll show you the finished product. We'll drill them all down at the same time, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, guys, so we got the last bit of these U-bolts and nuts on. We're going to tighten them down right now. So we got them 2 up here, well, 1 up there, 1 here, 1 up here, and 1 here. And my trusty assistant's going to do them down for me. And obviously you have to go back back and forth to tighten them down evenly. You don't want to just tighten down one all the way. So you want to go back and forth each one. Make sure they're evenly done. And there we go. It's on there, all sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And that is the Wild Boar, or sorry, Black Boar 2-up seat attachment. And it's universal, so you can put it on pretty much any of your quads as long as you have the front racking or the back racking for it. And so now I got a 2-up seat, and there's plenty of storage in this, so it's awesome. There's this, and then it goes all the way up in there, so the great storage. And then you have each side compartment that actually goes all the way up through, so you have plenty of storage for anything you need, like kits, health kits, like first aid kits, anything like that. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I got plenty of content, snowmobile, four-wheeler, and also reviews and stuff like this on things that I get. So until next time, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.